Alright, so we got the concrete poured and it's been setting for several days, so we're going to start putting these beams up for the building because we've got all the pieces we need to put this thing together, so we're going to start on that. So as many of you know, little more than a year ago, last September, a wildfire swept through my hometown and took out my dad's automotive shop, where I had started working only 8 weeks before. You may have also seen that we managed all the cleanup and removal of the debris and cleared the lot. We made it working through the winter out of my dad's garage to finish some auto repair and do some rental remodels. We got the insurance cleared and the government approval for a new building, and we spent several months of this year constructing that new building. We got a building. It's Wednesday morning, it's smoky. We've been getting here at 7 to work on this. We got all the pillars and rafters up, and now I gotta go put in the cross braces up in the roof. I'm worried if I run the drill while this is recording, it's gonna fall off and drop 20 feet. We realized the wall needed a trim on top before the roof went on, so we took a break from putting the roof on. We went ahead and put all 4 walls up. The bay doors were put in. We have the electrician here doing the electrical. Hey, can you help me take those 2 screws out? So at this point, the building is structurally done. We still have to put in a bathroom, we still have to put in our lifts and get the rest of our equipment, and technically it's not hooked up to the city's power yet. It's all wired, but it's not hooked up, if that makes sense. We have gutters scheduled, we have the heater and the natural gas scheduled, and we're planning on putting in a bathroom and maybe several offices. But as far as the structure goes, the building is done, the building is back up, and we are slowly taking on more and more business as we get more and more capable of doing so. So without any further ado, I introduce the new Jantzer Auto. So if you're local and you're curious to see what we're working on, you can give us a call. Like I said, we don't have lifts or power yet, but my dad is working out of the shop on very select jobs. So if you want to give us a call, you're more than welcome to. If you're not local and you're just here for the videos, I'm super happy to have you here. This is just the beginning. This was the primary goal, was to get our shop back up so we can generate income, but we have 2 acres here to work with. And I have all kinds of plans in the front and some in the back to do lots of landscaping and projects and more businesses on the lot, many of which will be documented. So subscribe to my channel, follow along, and thank you everybody for the continued support. We really appreciate you guys. We'll see you guys in the next video or here. So we're still just brainstorming, but we kind of want to put a new business here with outdoor seating on this concrete pad here with a rain cover pergola made out of these natural logs here that we've started to strip down. There's room for possibly 3 food trucks up here in front of the outdoor seating with another business on the pad up front. And then I want to put a waterfall here for the outdoor seating for the businesses, and there'll be parking here and maybe some sort of pathway and garden over there. It's all just ideas, but we have lots of potential.